Everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today tutorial will see control structure in Python. So first we see which is types of the control structures. There are three types of control structure. First is here we write first is the sequential control. Second one is selection control and third one is iterative control. That is here we write these three types are used in Python programming language which controls the programs. Here first we see what is control structure. Control structure which orders instruction executed in the program. Here that means here we imagine our program have 5 lines and this line control tell which line is executed. That means here which control here we use, that is first we see about only sequential control. Here sequential controls, that means this control if we have write first line, second line, third line, that means here we write another. This is the sequential control system. Imagine our program is 5 lines and here we see which line executed first, which line executed next and which line executed last. That is here we see if this line is executed first, this line executed second, this line executed third, this line executed fourth. This is the sequentially executed in the structures. And after that we have see first we have discuss about selection sort. This is second types we have write selection sort. This is the sorry for that, this is the selection controls. We have write selection control and this condition for selection control if we have here write we true and here we write false. Here if this side code executed, this side if executed, this side and this side. Here if condition is true, then condition if true is this side is executed first and after that condition is false. After before this ignore this all and this side's code is executed. This is the selection control. And third one is the iterative control. Iterative controls we have discussed about this part in next tutorial. Bye till then, take care. Justified.